Good morning, everyone. It's 28th of September, and this is the second episode of Let's Talk Stocks with AD, where daily in the morning I share my trading plan for trading session of that day. So, first, I'll update you about what are the key levels I'm watching on Nifty, and then we'll see clear trading setups for stocks. Okay, so last time when I analyzed the Nifty, it was trading between in this range of 11.6k to 11.3k, and as we broke the support of that range, which was 11.3k, then we got this trending move in downward direction. Now current trading range for Nifty on a slightly higher time frame perspective is 10.9k to 11350 with 11.1k as a pivotal level. So if we apply classic support and resistance theory here, then this 11.1k level will act as a resistance for short term trading, and 10.9k will be our key support level. So I'll be watching price action around those levels to generate my bias on overall market. Now very quickly I'll show you what I've got for stocks. Today also Asian Paint is first on our list. Last time my setup was invalidated and I got stopped in this stock, but in Tata Motors my trade worked out very well. Risk to reward ratio for that trade was 5, around 5. So basically I made 5 times the money I lost in Asian Paint. So that's how I diversify and follow very strict risk management, and that's been working pretty well for me. Now today I don't really have clear bias on this stock, but the reason I'm keeping an eye on it because if it breaks this 1935 level, then that could be nice play targeting somewhere around 1965 level. Why I'm saying I have no clear bias is because I don't know why it should break this level, as it can just continue the current downtrend, but if we break this level, then there is very less chance that it continues down, and then we can catch that intraday up move. My stop loss will be days low of that time when we get that break and close 15-minute candle above it. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is another stock I would like to keep an eye on. I actually tried to trade it last week also, but it did not provide valid trigger. But today, hopefully, it gives me that. So my idea here is very simple. We saw a very strong rally in this stock, and then this slow corrective price action. Now, if it breaks this 5150 high on a 15-minute chart, then that would be a shift in trend, and then we possibly can see a very sharp move towards 5300 level, or even 5350 level in intraday session. So that's a quite a good move we can catch if we get that break. Stop loss criteria is same, below days low of that time. For HDFC Bank, situation is the same as Asian Paint. No clear reason to be bullish, but I think if we get the break of this 1047 level on 15-minute chart, then that would provide a nice entry targeting this 1070 level. Stop loss here also will be days low of that time, or slightly below it. Fourth stock in my list is Lupin, where I have bearish bias because we have this clear downtrend on low time frames, and then price retraced to prior support, which acted as resistance, and then price got rejected. So we should continue to move down now, in my opinion. But here I don't want to see breakout on any level. Rather, I would like it to open around this area, and then test this level of 1000 and show some weakness. Then I'll enter in short position targeting 1965 level with stop loss above this high of 1015. Now let's say if we gap down today somewhere around this area, then I'll not enter in any position here. We'll just ignore it. Next one on my list is everyone's favorite these days, Reliance, which is testing this previous resistance of 2195 to 2200 area as a support, and also filled this gaps. We might see up move from here, but to enter in a trade I would like to see a break of this 2200 level on 15-minute chart. Then we'll place a stop at day's low of that time and target around 2245 area. Last stock on my list for today is Sun Pharma. Same story here, no clear reason for bias, but I'll enter in long position if we get a break and a close above 493 on a 15-minute chart with target around 505. So that was it. If you have any question or suggestion, then you can let me know in comment section. Good luck and thank you for watching.